Hi, I'm Sohali Khan. Welcome. Imagine this, flakes falling every time you touch your hair, or your favorite black outfit turning into an embarrassment. Yes, I'm talking about dandruff, the silent villain on your scalp, feeding on oils and wrecking your confidence. You've tried it all, curd, lemon, oils, OTC shampoos, but it only gets worse. Well, don't panic because today we're uncovering the truth with insights from a dermatologist to guide you to a healthier scalp. So let's get started. Welcome, doctor, and thank you for joining us. So, doctor, many people think that dandruff is just dryness or a cosmetic issue. Is it really that simple?
Hi everyone, today I'm going to talk about dandruff. Dandruff is not a cosmetic concern. It is a concern which is to be treated by a dermatologist. Most of the people complain of flaking of the scalp, which can occur due to not washing of the scalp properly. But if you have been using a regular anti-dandruff shampoo and it is not getting cleared, you should see a dermatologist. So why should you see a dermatologist? Because first of all, it's a fungal infection which is not treated can lead to seborrheic dermatitis, which can lead to scalp inflammation, boils, redness. In further cases, it can also lead to loss of hair.
Now that we've understood that it's not just dryness, doctor, please tell us when and why people suffering from dandruff should seek medical consultation.
You should consult a dermatologist for dandruff when it is not controlled by the regular anti-dandruff shampoo or other methods that you've been using. Secondly, if you have scalp inflammation, infection, boils, redness, itching, severe itching of the scalp or flakiness of the scalp, or if you are having acne, other issues on the face, on the forehead or on the back of your body, that could also be triggered by dandruff. Or if you are having hair fall issues, this all could lead to dandruff, and that's why you should see a dermatologist at that stage.
Doctor, why is it that most of the home remedies fail to treat dandruff? Why is dandruff so stubborn? And why do these quick fixes not work?
So all dandruffs are not similar. All dandruffs are not due to not washing your scalp regularly. Only if you have not washed your scalp regularly and kept it unclean and you wash it with a regular anti-dandruff shampoo, it will be taken care of. But if you have something which is severe like seborrheic dermatitis or sometimes psoriasis of the scalp, it could be mistaken for dandruff, which can be treated only by visiting a dermatologist, because along with the fungal infection or the Malassezia furfur yeast which is causing the common dandruff, there could be another pathology in the scalp skin like seborrheic dermatitis or psoriasis which requires medical intervention. It could use other shampoos which are based on coal tar or contain corticosteroid or something like that, which is in combination with other anti-dandruff shampoo. So see your dermatologist if you're suffering from any of these.
What is the key takeaway for managing dandruff?
So the key takeaway for managing dandruff is that regularly you should wash your scalp. If your scalp is oily, use a dandruff shampoo for oily scalp. If your scalp is dry, then you have to use a combination shampoo which could tackle your dryness of your scalp as well as the dandruff.
What should people do to maintain scalp health?
So to maintain your scalp health as well as healthy hair, you should do the following. You should have a good nutritional diet which contains of nuts as well as omega-3 fatty acids. You should have high protein diet. You should have milk proteins which contain casein, which is also good. You should have a good intake of calcium as well as vitamin D. Regular oiling of the scalp is very important, and also using the suitable shampoo which is suitable for your scalp, like for your dandruff, extended dandruff, or only for a normal gentle cleansing, which is paraben free, should be used for your scalp. And last and least, what is important is the beauty sleep. So beauty sleep is very important, as stress can also trigger hair fall and lead to scalp issues.
So, dandruff isn't just about flakes or itching, it signals underlying issues like seborrheic dermatitis and acne. Don't wait for dandruff to spiral out of control. Consult your dermatologist and find a solution individualized for your scalp. Your dermatologist knows best and will help you to stay flake-free and confident. Your scalp, your story. No shortcuts, just expert care.